Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to use Apple Sports app. The Apple Sports app is a streamlined way to track live scores, stats, and schedules for major sports leagues. It offers real-time updates for leagues like the NBA, NFL, MLB, NHL, MLS, and top soccer competitions. It has an easy-to-navigate interface that lets users follow their favorite teams and leagues. Users can personalize their experience by selecting specific teams and sports to receive customized updates. The app provides live game details including scores, play-by-play updates, and key stats. It integrates seamlessly with Apple devices including iPhones, iPad, and Apple Watches. It doesn't offer live streaming but provides direct link to supported apps for games. Notifications keeps users updated on game progress and breaking sports news. The app is free, lightweight, and designed for quick, at-a-glance updates. Overall, it's a great choice for sports fans who want instant access to scores and schedules without clutter. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.